Hi everybody. This is a transmission oil filter from a 1998 Jeep Cherokee XJ, and today we're going to open it up and see what it looks like on the inside. I think there's really nothing in here other than a filter screen, but today we're going to find out. And it looks like there's one spot right over here which would be good to start prying it open at. There's like a seam right there that's exposed. So just start out kind of simple. Alright, I'm gonna have to flip this over because yeah, the seam is creased over on that side. Just so this way I can see it. Okay, let me get something bigger. Just a little bit bigger screwdriver here. Try and move it in the clamp, it might be a little easier. Kind of peel it open like a letter. Whoops, I think I just broke the screen. Yep, I can feel it ripping. Well, I didn't say it wasn't going to be an invasive test. Oh yeah, much better. Yeah, so there we go. Let me just lift this camera up a little bit more. A little bit better view. Yeah, this is just a screen inside here. Is that captured there? Looks like it is. There we go. So there's just a mesh, kind of a mesh if you want to call it that. I guess it's a grid plate here. And then here is the mesh screen. So that's it. There's really no filter media like you would see in a traditional transmission gasket. It's just like a thin box with a grid, kind of, I guess, just to hold this mesh from flapping around. And that's it. Just a wire screen mesh. Looks like it only tears. No, it does tear in both directions. That's it. Of course, it's not tearing like that. Huh, pretty interesting. I was actually thinking that when I got this open, there may be some kind of a felt or a paper filter media somewhere on the inside, and that maybe you were just seeing the screen through the two, the two visual holes, the one on the one side and one on the other. I think this is actually the filter inlet where the fluid goes into the filter, and this is the outlet side where it dumps into the pan. Yeah, and I think that's evident by, I'm actually getting a little bit of material off of there. But it looks like there's a lot more on this side. So, yeah, pretty cool.